Food heritage has its own property in different families. The different way of making scallion pancake in my family started with making scallion oil differently. My grandma used 2 kinds of oil to fry green onion. One was pig lard that she learned from her grandma and mom. My mom used the same way as grandma did. And I started using butter to do so after moving to Denmark. My mom used the same way as my grandma did when making dough. Pig fat is a must ingredient. They use warm water to form dough. Grandma's scallion pancake was thick and small as her grandma and mom did. My grandma was very satisfied with the size as it was easy to bring to the farm field in harvesting season, and we could get this pancake only during that special time. Grandpa was a small farmer but a hard worker. He was trying to provide for his family by working all day long in his farm, especially when it was time for harvesting with bare hands. This pancake was their lunch when harvesting wheat in the scorching May months in China. They eat for survival, never thought about the taste. I found some pictures online where you can see how hard work it was during that time. Grandpa was so grateful that we had something to eat. Our neighbor with 9 kids could always get only half full bellies. My mom's pancake became thinner due to my brother's preference, as he wanted crispy pancakes. In time, her pancake has been changed by form and also by taste. My scallion pancake has also been changing since I want it to be crispier and tastier. I use half hot water and half room temperature water to make dough in order to make a pancake softer. But I use pig fat in the dough and when frying pancake as mom and grandma did. I still can remember the first time my husband tasted the pancake. He was so surprised and satisfied since it tasted so good. By looking at the 3 pancakes in my family, my thought goes to Grandpa. He worked hard to support the family. At the same time, he gave some food to neighbors' kids quietly, out of kindness. Giving something away is a noble deed, especially when you don't have that much either.